Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Concept Tech 2018. I am Dr. Sunanda Manke and this video is a part of the series on online electronics laboratory, and in this part we will discuss the lab exercises on signal generators. The assignments in this part includes the oscillators. Here we will cover both RC and LC oscillators. In multivibrators, we will do experiments on all the three multivibrators: bistable, monostable and astable. And we will see the working of 555 timer as monostable multivibrator and as astable multivibrator. The next assignment is bistable multivibrator. Let us see the bistable circuit of the given kit. So we have two outputs denoted by two bulbs here. So this is stable state, right? Q1 is on, Q2 is off. And when we take out the trigger, it will not change the state is stable. If I apply trigger pulse again, it switches its state, it goes to another state, and that state will become stable state, right? So this is one stable state and this is another stable state. Now what we'll do is, we'll apply square wave to the bistable multivibrator. That is, we'll give continuous trigger pulse to one transistor, then another transistor. You can see two diodes are connected here, right? One is to one transistor and another is to another transistor. So we can observe the switching of both the transistors. Continuous trigger pulse is switching both the transistor on and off, and this is stable state. Now it will not change. Again it will change, and when you take it out, it will go to one of the stable states and it will remain in that state forever. Now it will remain in this state forever, right? This is bistable operation. This multivibrator experiment was done on the trainer kit. As you can observe here, this is bistable circuit. Here both the states are stable. That is, if this LED is glowing and this is off, then it will glow forever unless until a trigger input is given to switch the state. Here the trigger pulse is given to both the transistors. So the transistors are switched on and off with the help of this trigger pulse, and as soon the trigger pulse is removed, it remains in the stable state indefinitely. When trigger pulse is again applied, it switches the state and it remains in the stable state. If you apply trigger pulse continuously to both the transistors, then you can observe continuous switching of the state between two LEDs. I hope you have understood how bistable circuit works. Thank you.